Iingdorbar mangtengka jong kejela kalakut no hakasngi palai jong katayo, but hakani kasngi ke Iingdorbar kala aji Mynjur iaka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Facilitation Amendment Bill arajar arphosan hadien bak Sorkar kala sheme karai ban weng no eka kentin jingpynkha yaki LandBanks lingba ke jingthet yaki jaka nakitrai lani ki wei ki lan but hakani ke Dorbar ki MLA ki badon hakal yang sinshar ba liang persha kala sani halor kimat ke bapher.
Iingdorbar thawan kejela haka khatlai tarik jong uluber arhajar arpusan. Kala Mynjur ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Facilitation Amendment Bill arhajar arpusan. Hadien bagi Sorkar kala shemekarai ban weng no ya ka kentian penkhai ki LandBank. Lengba ka jingthet bet ki jaka na ki trai lani ki kilat. Ya kini bil lawan ra do menteri rang ba kejela konrad kongkal sangma bala Mynjur ka jingkershan jigit khot na bro ki ba na ka liang senshar ba liang persha. Hadien bagi Sorkar kala sangap eksuruk pat ba. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong belawan rai kini ke amendment ha ke baga kentian boong penkhai ki LandBank lengba ke jingthiet jaka bet negitrai balaweng no kenang banai ke kubor ke basai ba ka Meghalaya Investment Promotion Agency kanam trikam syo ke jingtmu ban penkhai ki LandBank ban aja cash kinong makan syokam bag Sorkar kam jule da kabor bag Sorkar kan sengap bekamon bag jing sokyau pat ba. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ula kular ru ikeng Iingdorbar bagi Sorkar kan sekhot ya baru agi kenuan bapher kentup igi seng san pertai bat kiwe seng manekran igi rule ki ban sashna ula pentip ru bagi nek amendment bala terwar ke Sorkar lapan pau bagi MSIPF kan om pentron ya land transfer act baru ki rukom trekam ki rule ki betrikam apa phaish ki edisi ru on board renti nalor ka jingthungkam ya ki brio bagi samla ke jela. Ukonrat kongkal sama udah turu begiladon ki MLA nak seng NPP bad nak UDP ki bapen pau ki jing sokya halor ke LandBanks ke batmu penkha dak MIPA bad ule kendu uru ki nongelam ka ki SU bala batai penia asyaki sepang ki amendment bapher ki balawan ra bande ai rog jing sokya jing ki kenhon bapher.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move the government amendment as follows. Deletion of the words in brackets, creation of land banks through direct purchase of land or other means, unquote, appearing in the last three lines under subsection 3, clause 1 of section 4 of the said amendment bill. With the goal to take the state forward and to make Meghalaya into an 85,000 crore vis-a-vis $10 billion economy, multiple opportunities have been identified. At the same time, as I was replying in my initial question hour, the GSDP is made out of consumption, investment, government expenditure, as well as net exports and imports. And therefore, investments play a crucial role in order for us to be able to achieve the economic goals that we desire. It is with that particular goal in mind the government had passed the Meghalaya Investment Promotion and Facilitation Bill in 2024. Sir, while there was a single window agency that used to facilitate the process of investment, the scope and the manner of investment under the single window agency was quite limited, keeping in mind the nature of the agency. And it was the Industries Department that was the nodal agency for the single window agency. So with changing times, today the investment scenario is there in sectors beyond manufacturing or beyond areas which we would have traditionally defined as industries. Today, investments are coming in the health sector. Investments are coming in the education sector. Investments are coming in the food and agriculture and food processing sector. Investments are coming in tourism sector, and even investments today are coming in the sports sector in terms of centers of excellence. And therefore, there was a need to be able to provide regulatory framework to enable the process of incorporating all these different needs. And hence, the need to expand the single window agency and the need for us to come out with a legislation in the form of the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024. We welcome them, and we discuss different aspects on what concerns are there, and we will address those concerns in the right earnest. So with these few words and with this particular amendment that I have moved, I resume my seat, sir.
Now let me put the question before the House. The question is that the government amendment be adopted. Those who are for the motion say aye. Those who are against say no. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is carried and the government amendment is adopted by the House.